Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Healthy Samaiyal. Today I am before you with a wonderful Sunday special recipe mutton liver masala. In a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once it is heated up, add 5 to 6 dry red chilli, two tablespoons of jeera seeds, saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it is slightly golden, add 1 large cup of onions. Saute them until it is slightly golden. Don't over fry them. The oils should not be crispy while making this liver masala. Now I am adding 500 gram of mutton liver. Saute them for 2 minutes. Even mutton liver has many health benefits. Let's know about it. Mutton liver is full of vitamin A, which is beneficial for eyes, excellent source of iron and protein. It also contains folic acid, iron, chromium, zinc, copper, vitamin B12 and fat. Just sprinkle some water. Add some mutton fat. It's completely optional. When you add this, it automatically releases some oil. Saute them slightly. Now the liver has changed its color. Now you can add the masala. Salt to taste. Pinch of turmeric powder. 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of pepper powder. The complete flavor comes from this pepper powder. We are not going to add any chili powder in this. Saute them. Now let's cover it with a lid and cook it for another 15 minutes. It looks so yummy. The oil is released from the mutton fat, so I have used just 2 tablespoons of oil. Again sprinkle some pepper powder. It gives a good taste to our liver curry. Saute them. Sprinkle some water. Cook it for another 2 minutes. Our mutton liver is ready. We are sprinkling some water in between so that onion does not become too crispy. Onions should be soft enough. You can serve this mutton liver along with the hot rice. It goes perfect. Garnish it with the chopped coriander leaves. It's a very simple and easy recipe. Friends, try this wonderful and simple recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Serve it with hot rice. This mutton liver masala is very easy to make and tasty to eat. Always eat healthy, stay healthy. Try to take a balanced diet, which is very good for your health. Hope you like this video. For many more simple and healthy recipes, stay connected to Healthy Samaiyal.